Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show this URL shortener service which I created in Express and Vue.js. So this tech stack, popularly known as MEVN stack, is an alternative to MERN where you use Vue.js instead of React. So it has been one of my favorite tech stacks over the past few years. Mostly because you don't deal with multiple languages for both front end and back end, and also it's easy for me to deploy this, at least in my personal experience. So without further delay, let's just dive into the features of this application. So URL shorteners, in case you are familiar, these services they take in an extended long super long URL and they store it somewhere internally in their database and create a shorter code for these long URLs which you provided them. So they provide the illusion that you're actually visiting a shorter URL, but behind the scenes a 301 redirect is performed and you actually visit the long URL. Okay, so tinyURL is one of the most popular such services, okay, so which you can use. So okay, so here I have added few additional features related to analytics and number of clicks the user has on the saved URLs which they have in their profile. So let's just see some of these in action. Let's just delete one of the URLs. I'm currently logged in as this user called Alexa, one of the dummy users I created for this application. So I currently have two URLs saved in this profile. As you can see, this is there are different charts which keep track of the number of times you visited a link. Okay, so let's see in real time how these are being updated. If I click on open URL for this link, as you might have noticed, this does get updated. Okay, so let's click on this one. And this does get updated as well, and these updates are immediately reflected in the charts. Let's log out and create a new user. So I registered with this new user. So for this dummy user, I don't have any URL saved. So let's just navigate to YouTube, or maybe I can use any URLs, right? So I copied one URL from a YouTube video. Let's just paste it here. Let's click this, open this, and this does get updated. Okay, so I think that covers everything as far as features of this application is concerned. Let's just dive into the source code. I would first dive into the package.json files for both front end and back end, so that we get to know what dependencies or packages have been used in this project and what purpose do they serve. So I would start. So this is the package.json for the Express backend. I will just go through real quick the in one line probably what is the purpose of these dependencies. So I wanted to use Redis in this project as well for storing information such as the URLs which the user has saved and the user profile details. And this node cron package is responsible for cron jobs which run periodically at the time which you specified in the configuration. So it could run every day at a specific time, every hour, every 10 minutes. So yeah, Mongoose is the ORM layer. JSON Web Token is used for JWT authentication, Express async handler handles the asynchronous API controllers. Express is the backend framework. .env handles in environment variables. Cookie parser is used for cookie based authentication, sending cookies from the backend to front end. So I am now inside the package.json file for the front end, which is written in Vue.js. So there are quite a few libraries here. We'll just go through those in one line. So these libraries, VueChart.js, VueChart3, these are responsible for the charts, bar chart, pie charts, and all different sort of charts which we saw earlier. Pinia is a popular state management solution in Vue.js. Moment is used for formatting dates. Axios for API call, and this chart.js is like the parent library on which the Vue specific implementations are based on. EOS is used for animations on the scroll effect. Headless UI is for dynamic components like pop-ups, and hero icons is a popular icons library for Vue.js, where you can find popular icons for your situations, like if you want to show logout icon, the hamburger icon for collapsing menu, okay, and other icons as well. So this is the repository. You can check this out. Feel free to experiment with this, and if you want to add new features, just fork this and submit your pull request after making the necessary changes. So that is it for this video, I guess. I showed the features of this application, and I also talked about the libraries which I used. If this video helped you in some way, please give a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Please subscribe to my channel for more project based tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Bye.